One question on the slip is from Shakeel Ahmed, Jazakallah doctor, please tell us, all Muslims, what is the share to run a 24 hours Islamic channel? We are ready to invest.
Whether asked the question, what is the rate, what is the share and what to invest. Time didn't permit me to speak about the God channel. As I told you about the God channel, I just told you in brief. This God channel, which is the most popular among the Christian channel, it publicizes that if you give £1 a year, it will help in giving this message of God channel to 5 homes every year. That means if you give £20, the statement says, it will go to 100 homes every year. If you give £200, it will go to 1,000 homes every year. If you give £1,000, 5,000 homes every year. This is how they are. And God channel is minting money. See, as far as Peace TV is concerned, there are many projects that have been launched by Muslims that you invest this money and you get so much profit and you will get returns, etc. As far as we are concerned, it is not a commercial channel at all, our channel. Whatever you put in, you will get your returns in Akhirah. Inshallah. Multiple times. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter number 2 verse number 261, if you sow 1 grain in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah will give you 7 years, each year bearing 100 corn. That means 700 times profit. In business terminology, 70,000% profit. And Allah does not stop there. He tells He will give you multiple more. So whoever helps in this channel, inshallah, in the Akhirah, he will get multiple times of reward. Whatever it is, people are most welcome. Again, what ajr you will get is not depending how much you give, it's depending how much percentage you give. So if a rich man gives me a lot of money, $100,000, $1 million, but a poor man gives $100,000 or $1 million, maybe just less than 1% of his wealth. But the poor man gives me $10, which will be 50% of his saving, he will get more ajr. And the channel will run mainly because of Allah's help. See what dawah I do. I don't consider myself to be an extra intelligent person. Believe me, I was a stammerer. People who know me from childhood, I was a stammerer. If you ask me, what is my name? My name is Zakir. And that person, therefore I read the dua of Musa alayhi salam, who was also a stammerer. Rabbi shrah li sadri, wa yassir li amri, wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Oh my Lord, expand my breast for me. Remove the impediment for my speech so that the people will hear me. So it is Allah's help. I don't consider we are very intelligent. So in this channel also basically we require Allah's help. And Allah has His ways how He helps people. So whatever a person gives, in charity I always say, look at the percentage. I tell the rich people, don't look at the amount you're giving. You decide that inshallah, besides the zakat that I give, I will give 20% of my earnings every month. 25%, 30%. See, when a person is poor, he wouldn't mind, okay, I will give maybe 20% of my earning, which may be suppose $100. But when he becomes a billionaire, that 20% becomes $1 million, then his heart aches, oh, millions of dollars. But you fail to realize 80% you have got in your coffer. A good businessman should increase his percentage. So always I tell the rich people that when you donate, stipulate a percentage of your income. The money per se, so do business with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The best business you can do is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The maximum returns you'll get. So, put a figure, 20%, 25%, 30% or whatever you want to earn, I'm going to spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala besides the zakat. And inshallah you'll find that Allah will give you more in this world and the akhirah. Hope that answers the question.